Okay, so we've got some of our salvage lumber and we're getting ready to build a rabbit hutch.
A better one. Way better.
Way better. Yeah, the wire one that we made in the summer served its purposes for now, but it had too light of a gauge of wire, so the black 1" by 1" stuff that we had is like falling apart as the rabbits chew on it and stuff. So we need to build a proper hutch, and that's going to be our project for today. So we'll go ahead and get started.
Okay.
Okay, so this is going to be our base, where we'll put the rabbit floor for the hutch. That's going to be made out of the 1/2" by 1/2" mesh for poop to be able to fall through. Then the front side will be mostly the mesh as well. And then the back side, or the back, and the 2 sides or ends will be solid to provide protection from wind and elements and those kind of things. Alright, so now we're going to put the legs on it.
Okay.
Okay, so we just cut a bunch of strips. They're, I don't know, about a 1/2" thick out of 2x4s. We're going to use these when we're pinning down the wire. These are what we're going to use on top to pinch the wire between the 2x4 that's already on the frame and this. So that'll help us to keep the wire tight, so it's not going to come up and cut the rabbit's feet or anything like that. And then we'll also use these narrow strips to make the framework for the doors and things like that when we're at that point. So anyways, that's what we're doing next. So now they're just bending, using the hammers to bend the wire so it's more perpendicular. battery went dead on my camera yesterday, so I didn't get to show you the finished product, but we've got it moved out into the greenhouse along with our chickens and the other rabbits. But here's the new hutch that we built yesterday. It's working out great. A couple of details. So along the side and back, we just used pallet boards. Makes it nice and cheap. On the ends, you can see that I left about an extra foot on these 2x4s for the base. The reason I did that just makes nice handles for when we need to carry it and move it around. Let's see, so we've got the doors that we just hinged on using the little clips that you squish and makes a nice little clip. Those work as our hinge. Then we've got the spring, the door opens up. We've got the feeders on the inside. The reason I did that is during the summer and other seasons when we have the hutch outside, I kind of like this so that the food doesn't get wet from the rain. Couple of happy rabbits there and there. Anyways, we're really happy with how the hutch turned out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.